In Demo 13, we'll demonstrate decentralized searching capabilities, which is searching outside of the SIEM data lake or unconnected data sources. We will be utilizing ArcSight's Search, Hunt and Visualization solution Recon for this demo. Although ArcSight comes with its own big data lake, we can still connect to data sources outside ArcSight with Recon. Everything is wizard-based, making the entire process quite straightforward. Let's first log into the Fusion environment and go to the Dashboard and Query portal within ArcSight Recon. ArcSight has a capability to connect to several data sources using standardized protocols like REST and JDBC, to name just two. In this demonstration, we'll use the connection created for an elastic data lake instance. Then we'll show you how to explore the data from within the ArcSight environment. The first step is to create a data worksheet to get the data from an index in the elastic data lake. We are entering the REST query details here, such as JSON path and URL suffix for the database. Clicking the Live Data View option at the bottom right allows me to see the data successfully, as retrieved from the index in the Elastic DB. I save the worksheet. Now we'll create a new dashboard using a template from the available options, just like a new user might do. We'll use a wizard in this next step, and once done, I'll click Finish. Now I'll add a chart. We're basically designing a dashboard from scratch. I choose the X and Y axes, and a visual wizard is telling me which dashboard is recommended for my situation. I select the 2D bar chart. Next, add a table by drag and drop of the required columns. Next, I will add filters. Finally, I provide a name for the table. We've now created a dashboard with a 2D bar chart and a timeline table, which shows the complete data set coming from the Elastic DB. This allows me to filter the data, then slice and dice it for further analysis. In our final step, I will save the new dashboard under my standard content folder before running it. I'll select only the success events and select specific users that I'm interested in. This easy filtering feature allows me to focus on specific events by selecting with only the mouse. The same feature can be used to drill down on a specific user. For example, Adam Harris will be filtered in the table below as soon as I click on his ID. The brush option is another slice and dice feature. When I select a specific timeline bar with a brush, the table shows only those events from the desired time frame. Quick summaries are possible. I could also export my results to attach to a case or pass it on to an external tool. In addition to slicing and dicing the events from the external data lake, we can also search within the dataset to further refine the results, in much the same way as searching within our own native unified data store.